Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 14th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So VIX has been coming down quite hard and even broke our support at 23.82 right here. We broke it, and now we are back above it. So we closed at 23.86, up 1.34. So that's a big move up. One candle does not make a trend, so we cannot really say that we are now in an uptrend for VIX. This is just an upward candle. We are going to have to wait to see what is happening tomorrow. Dow Jones, in terms of Dow Jones, we are outside of our big downward channel. That's nice. We are making a little bit of a top here, mainly because of the VIX, but nothing else to mention here. Just a couple of candles. It does not make a trend. We cannot really conclude much here. Same thing with S&P 500, just a little bit of a dip. What's interesting is that Nasdaq came right smack on the resistance and now is coming back down from it. This one is really reacting on the resistance, and it's as if it's making all the other ones also react the same way, even though the other ones are not close to a resistance. So this is just a small pullback. We need a few more candles to see if there's really a change in trend right here. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.